Good morning, students. Welcome back again to Sri Narayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject English Bal Bharati Standard 7th. So students, today we will see our topic alliteration. Okay? As I had given the exercise of this and I had said that I'll explain this in our next class. So here is the topic alliteration. What do you mean by alliteration? Alliteration is a type of figure of speech. Got it? ये आपके ग्रामर में आता है, figure of speech का एक पार्ट है जो कि इस पोएम में दिया हुआ है, only one. Got it? और भी figure of speech होते हैं जैसे कि simile, metamorphy. So there are many examples of that, types of that, but in this poem only one is given. So we will see only one, that is alliteration. Now, what is the definition of alliteration? When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called as alliteration. It means that जब एक ही सेंटेंस में दो या दो से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स का जो बिगनिंग लेटर है सेम होता है, that letter is having the sound, that is the same sound is creating, and that is called as the alliteration. Like for example here given, Naina needs new notebooks. Okay, so here you can see here that Naina, first letter is N. Again repeating the second word needs, the first is again N. Now third, that is new, N. And the last, that is notebooks, N. तो आप देखते होंगे कि एक ही सेंटेंस में बार बार N रिपीट हो रहा है ना? जो लेटर N है वो बार बार अलग अलग शब्दों में जो फर्स्ट लेटर है N रिपीट हो रहा है. So this is called the alliteration. That is the sound of N is repeating in the first sentence. Now see here the second example, that is the green grasses grow. Got it? So here ग्रीन का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है G, तो आप देखिए यहाँ पर G, यहाँ भी फर्स्ट है, यहाँ भी फर्स्ट है ना? तो बार बार G रिपीट हो रहा है हर वर्ड्स में. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिट्रेशन. हियर द साउंड ऑफ G इज रिपीटिंग इन द गिवन सेंटेंस, दैट इज सेकेंड सेंटेंस. गॉट इट? सो एज you can take many examples in which the sound of a particular letter is repeating, like Seema saw a scenery. Okay, Seema saw a beautiful scene, or you can say. So here Seema का S, saw again S, then scenery S. तो तीन वर्ड्स में जो S लेटर है वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. गॉट इट? सो अगेन इट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिट्रेशन. अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक एलिट्रेशन? व्हेन द सेम साउंड occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same sentence, that is called as the alliteration. Understood? So I hope you had understood this topic. And you can create many examples of that. Okay? आप अपनी HW में ऐसे ही 10 sentences बनाएंगे. Okay? Alliteration के जो examples हैं आपने CW में तो complete कर ही लिया है, but you have to do 10 examples. You have to write 10 examples in your HW. Okay? So this is your today's homework. Thank you.